Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay app. Go ahead and click on account. Click on this setting icon. Click on account and security. Click on security center. Proceed with digital certificate. The digital certificate is not installed. According to the requirement of the regulatory authority, installing a digital certificate will increase the balance payment quota per day. Go ahead and click on Install Digital Certificate. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your passport number for identity verification. So go ahead and enter your passport number right here. So enter your passport number right here. Having entered your passport number, go ahead and enter your passport number, hit on confirm. Enter verification code sent to your number. So I'm waiting for the verification code. So here we go. I'm going to copy the code and paste it right here. So let me just enter it one after the other. 83 15 83 15 58. Then it automatically connects. Adding a certificate. Digital certificate is installed. And with this, according to the requirement of the regulatory authority, installing a digital certificate increase the balance payment quota per day. Now, once you do this, you have increased the limit on your Alipay account transaction daily, as the case may be. You can receive as much as possible any fund into your Alipay app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.